Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I have very good news to share with all of you. We are going to initiate digital marathon. I named it as DigiThon. In this DigiThon, we will give you 42 challenges which will be related to digital design logics only. And at the end of this DigiThon, we will announce a winner also. The winner will be the one who will be able to solve maximum number of problems. And I make you assure that while going through this DigiThon, you will really enjoy. So I request all the members and viewers of this channel, please try to participate with full of your energy. Because the success of this event is totally dependent upon your participation only. In this video, I am going to share with you the first challenge of this DigiThon. And now without wasting much time, let us get started. Friends, the challenge is on your screen. As it is the first challenge, so we'll start with a simple challenge only, where you have to draw a digital logic to generate a pulse signal as shown in a figure below. So this is the pulse signal that you have to generate, and the only input signal that you have is a clock signal. How this pulse signal is behaving: in the first clock cycle it is 0, in the second one it is 1, and then it remains 0 for 2 clock cycles, again it goes high, and it keep on repeating in the same way. Friends, there are multiple possible solutions of the same problem, but I will consider the most optimized one as a correct one. Now you can pause my video here, try to think of its answer. If you come to know its answer, please write it down in the comment section. Friends, you have only 1 day's time to answer this question. Otherwise, I will give its solution in a separate video. Now I will wait for your answers in the comment section. And with this, I am going to end this session. And I hope that this would be quite informative and interesting for all of you. And in future also, we are going to create many such sessions. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.